Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know what channel it is. It's Rush Raymore Reviews, and you know it's the Discover Boss Rush here with you with another update, another video. First of all, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to turn on that post notification bell as well, so once I do an upload, you'll be notified. Remember to like the video, share, and comment. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options. So as you can see in front of me, I know some of you guys already pick up where we are. You already seen the title of the video. We're back on Hagley Park Road. You know, just when we thought Hagley Park Road is completely finished, here we are again. So what it seems, this rainy season is the first rainy season that this road is experiencing since it has been transformed. So what the contractors are finding out is a few fixes that are needed, mainly drainage, mainly the flow of water, because when rainfall in Kingston and most of Jamaica, water just run on the roadway like it's a river. So parts of the road is getting damaged, parts of the road is not handling the water properly from a drainage standpoint. So they're doing some extensive drainage work, changing some of the older drainage that they didn't change before. That's what's happening. So I'm just gonna do a quick drive by. Oh, that kind of sound away. Yeah, but do a quick drive by with you guys, show you what's happening, then I probably step out and show you a little bit around as well. But it's a quick update, but it's a lot more work than we previously thought. It's a lot more extensive in terms of the changes they're making to the Hagley Park Road that we thought was finished. So that's what's going on. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so Hagley Park Road work is still happening, and as you can see, a lot of heavy duty equipment back on Hagley Park Road. But I really don't like the idea of this though. I expected that we're paying the contractors China Harbor to do a quality work one time and done. So it's really painful to see after the work is finished, they still have to be going back and making fixes. Even right here where the bicycle is, you can see where the rain damaged that section, because that's not any equipment, that would be the rain. So yeah, so let's take a drive down, and then we'll probably stop and take a look around the place. Sorry for the shaky camera, guys. Just want to show you guys exactly what's happening. So they have turned this into 2 lanes, one up, one down, so that they can work on the next side. So I'm just swiveling the camera a bit so you guys can see. We did a previous video just a few days ago on this project, but I didn't know that they were gonna do more work. Alright, so we'll turn here, head back up. Alright, so this is Crichton Automotives, a car mart right in half a tree. So we'll just turn back here. So as usual, guys, I'm always showing you guys what's happening. I'm always sharing what's happening, always keeping you guys updated. It's a very overcast day, so just want to see if we can finish out the video with you guys before it starts to rain. And the thing as well that I don't like, they dig out somewhere, fill it up with marl or stone, rainfall, and continuously wash it out before they pave it. I think they need to have it more organized, where as soon as they put in the marl or put in the gravel, they pave it same time, because it's a waste of everything when, you know, each time they fill up rain, wash it out before they get to pave it, because they're not. So right here they're changing a drainage. So I think some more organization really needs to go in it from that angle, sorry. So I'm gonna turn around here. This is a small plaza in Half-Way-Tree. Let me just go to the end and turn back. Never carried you guys over here before. Don't even know if this plaza have a name, because it's a lot of different business on it. It's small and it have different tenants. Alright, so we just turned around so I can give you guys a little better view of some of the work. Alright, so this is the area that they're working at now. Alright, so work is happening across the road, and if you guys can probably see, those are some of the black pipes to the left that they're gonna put in. So they're changing some older pipes. It seems as if they didn't make those changes before, which is rather weird, because it was a complete renovation slash expansion at Hagley Park Road. So I would have been thinking that they would have changed those. And then right there where those guys are sitting is where they're changing out some other main pipes as well. So big work happening on Half-Way-Tree same way after we thought the road was finished. But I hope it doesn't take too long, because, you know, especially on a Monday morning and a busy work day, this will cause a lot of traffic. So that's about it, guys. Just a quick update, nothing too lengthy. Just a quick update on Hagley Park Road in terms of what's happening. Alright, so that's where they're working, guys. Alright, so this is some of the work happening. Alright guys, so as usual, leave your comments in terms of Hagley Park Road. Work is still happening. We see also CVM TV on location, taking some shots as well. So they're still doing a lot of work in terms of drainage fixes. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about the work that's happening on Hagley Park Road. Remember to comment as well, and also to share the video.